In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add description inside the TMDL view in Power BI. If you're documenting your model, adding clear descriptions right in the TMDL view is one of the fastest ways to make your measures and columns easier to understand for anyone who opens the file later. Here's how to do it smoothly and with confidence. Start by opening the TMDL view and then open the script for the specific table, column, or measure you want to describe. You'll see the code that defines that object. We're going to add a description directly in that script, so it lives with the object and travels with your model. Place your cursor where you want the description to go, typically just above the object's definition, and type 3 forward slashes. That's 3 slashes in a row. As soon as you do, you should notice the text you type after those slashes turning green. That color cue tells you the editor recognizes it as a documentation comment. Everything you write after those 3 slashes becomes the description for the item that follows. Write a clear, concise description that explains what the object represents, how it's calculated if it's a measure, and any important context like filters or time frames. Keep it practical and helpful for someone who didn't build the model. Avoid long paragraphs. A sentence or two is usually perfect. When you're happy with your comment, click Apply. That's the moment your description is committed to the model. You'll see that it's now associated with your data, and tools that read the model's metadata can surface it in places like tooltips or the Properties pane. You can repeat this same approach for each measure and each column. Open the script for each one. Add 3 slashes on the line just above its definition, and write the description. Keep your formatting consistent so your documentation feels unified across the model. When you're done making updates across your items, click Apply again to save those changes. A few quick tips as you go. Use consistent terminology and units, describe the intent rather than restating the object's name, and note any important business rules or filters that might surprise a reader later. If a measure changes, update the description at the same time so it never falls out of sync. And remember to keep sensitive information out of your comments. That's all. With just 3 slashes and a clear sentence, you've added meaningful documentation directly in your TMDL scripts, making your Power BI model easier to use and maintain.